Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po yung lingkod, si JomarX and my assistant.
Joseph.
And today, we will be reviewing the SPAS12 Benelli. What's this? M4? Is this the Benelli M4?
Benelli M4.
Yes, it's a Benelli M4. It's one of the world famous shotgun. See? It looks amazing. And of course,
Benelli M4.
is this also the Benelli M4?
Yeah.
Ah, it's a toy grade. Okay.
Battle Eagle.
This one is, of course, from our resident importer of weird and unique guns, Hydro Blasters MNL. Unfortunately, this is currently out of stock from her. So, if someone will request a certain number, she can import it. Okay? First, it's one. It is heavy. Really, around 2 kilos? No, not 2 kilos. More than 1 kilo. It has metal parts, metal. This is, I think this is ABS. ABS, and this is nylon. This is also, I think, nylon or ABS. It feels weird. No, this is ABS. And some metal parts. Is this safety? Oh, it's safety. Does it work? Oh, it does work. I only just found out. This one, it's very nice trades. Even though it's made in Italy, they did some, I don't know where they copied this one, but they copied well. There's even trades here. Very nice. Features, it has safety here. Safety. This is the first time I noticed this one.
Yeah, right.
That's safe, and this is not full auto, but unsafe. It has a folding stock. There's a switch here. Press, then another switch here, and then ding, extremely long. See, long, but it has very nice full action. Right now, I don't know where I misplaced the shells. I only have the 3D printed shells for this one because I was going to turn this into a gel blaster, but unfortunately, designing the correct amount of shells for this one that is compatible and enough power to hold, to propel the BBs forward, because again, this has an empty barrel. This is a Nerf gun actually. It show it's something like this. See? So it's a very well made Nerf gun that I'm trying to convert to gel blaster using this gel shells and this extremely long barrel. But unfortunately, this doesn't produce enough air to propel it forward. So it's been on my to-do list for a long time. Loading is still the same. Just hold it back. Same as that. You put the shells in the bottom. You can put a lot of shells. Around
8.
8 shells.
Yeah.
And it doesn't fold out. Then forward. And just pull. Very nice. And if you pull this one, oh, it has a front sight that still, and a Picatinny rail here. And if you fold it and you put the sights here, let's say you have a red dot sight, it will not be hit if you open and close this. This is also foldable. And where's the site? And you can put it here for. I don't know what's this for. And as far as I know, in Airsoft, this is rare. This is rare. I don't know what's the reason for that one. But, oh, and also, if you pull it correctly, the shells will fly out. But since this is not the correct shells, it doesn't fly out. So nice.
This one flies out.
Hmm.
This one flies out.
Mm-hmm. This SPAS12 is looks really nice, feels really nice. If you're going to play in a Nerf game, intimidation factor is high. Although do not show this in public, you will get arrested. It looks real.
Yeah.
Not unlike this one. This is kids.
Kids
Looks like
version.
kids version.
Light.
It's very light. This one, so nice. I wish they create a gel version of this one.
Yeah.
Well, eventually they will. But then again, this is for my collection because there's a Airsoft version of this one that it's very, very expensive that I won't be able to buy. But this one is cheaper. Cheaper. Actually, I don't remember the price already. Anywho, that's more or less it. If you have any comments, suggestions, pilot reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below. And I'll answer it as soon as possible. So, kumuli! Paalam!
Bye!
Oh, lastly, shout out to my buyers who keep supporting the channel. Me, in particularly. As long as you keep on supporting, I will be still have enough funds to keep on doing this kind of things. This is very time consuming. So, salamat po sa inyo lahat. At huwag kayong mahiyang bumili pa. Anywho, hanggang sa muli. Paalam!
Bye! Ding!